All right, you can hear me, right? Okay. I'll just repeat what I was saying. This is a sentence, okay, with uh, punctuation regarding direct and indirect speech. Punctuation marks. You are going to see how to punctuate. Yesterday also you studied the punctuation marks in direct speech and indirect speech, where the reporting verb was coming in the beginning. I'll just write one sentence. Like, let's write the same sentence. Joe here is a name. Joe said, comma, comma, and then you're going to write the same sentence as it is here. Okay, the same sentence, open inverted commas, and you got the same sentence, then you put a full stop, close inverted commas. So this is what we did yesterday. Okay, and this is another kind of punctuation in direct speech and indirect speech that is less not so commonly used, that is less used, that is not so commonly used, but it is still sometimes asked in your board exams or in your examinations. You need to remember the punctuation marks over here also. Yesterday we said that after the reporting verb, you will open the inverted commas, okay, they put a comma, open the inverted commas, and the first alphabet has to be capital. Then after that, you put a full stop before the close inverted commas, and in the end, you are going to have the close inverted commas. So these were a few things that we had to remember in the punctuation of direct speech, which we did yesterday. Today, uh, it's very much same, but just a little bit of difference. You open inverted commas, obviously the first alphabet has to be capital. In this case, the reporting verb is usually after the sentence, and obviously the person speaking is written in the end with a capital letter, and then a full stop is always put in the end rather than somewhere in the middle of the sentence. Rest of the things, yes. Then the punctuation mark for the sentence is before the close inverted commas. Here you have the close inverted commas, and then the reporting verb after closing the inverted commas. This has to be a small letter. The first word said, s here is supposed to be small. Okay, and then obviously Joe is a name. Okay, it's a proper noun, so this is going to be a capital letter. Now just look at the difference between both of the sentences and the punctuation marks. Here you open the inverted, you obviously start the sentence with the direct speech, the sentence that you are going to write down, that you are going to narrate. So that is basically starting with you open inverted commas, write that particular sentence, and then you put a comma. Yes, in most of the cases you put a comma. Sometimes if it's a question, or if it's an exclamatory sentence, you put an exclamation mark. Okay, but otherwise usually there is a comma, and after the, that means the sentence has ended, and after this comma you close the inverted commas, and then after the inverted commas there is a space, close, after closing and close inverted commas, and there's a space. After space you will write the reporting verb, that is said or reported or quoted or whatever, and the first alphabet again is supposed to be small. That is, this S here is supposed to be small. Look at my beautiful handwriting here. This is supposed to be small, and this here is, it's a proper noun. Obviously, the person who has said it. This is going to be capital. Okay, I'll just write caps. So this is going to be, it's not cops, it's caps. So this is going to be capital, and in the end, yes, you have a full stop. So this is a full stop. So you need to remember this difference, okay, in both these kind of sentences. And if you have any question, Yes, you may ask me. All right.